What is up, people on the interwebs? I hope you're having an amazing day, and today I'm going to show you how to create these Lord of the Ring inspired nail art. Of course, this inspiration has come from the ring itself, with the elf language engraved within the ring. Now, I've created this design in a gold and black version, as I couldn't decide which design I'd like the best, so I thought I'd just show you both versions. I'll show you the gold version first, and then I will show you the black version. So let's jump into the tools you're going to need for this design. So you are going to need some gold and black nail polish, this stamping plate and a stamping kit, and of course a top and base coat. And if you don't have any of these tools, I will place a link down below where you can find a majority of these tools. So let's begin this nail tutorial. So for starters, you are going to apply base coat to all of your nails. Once the base coat has dried, apply gold nail polish onto your nails. You may want to grab a dotting tool or a toothpick just to remove any excess nail polish that may happen to flood the cuticle area. Once you have applied the gold polish and the polish is dried, we shall move on to our stamping kit, and you are going to want to apply black nail polish onto the elf language, and then grabbing your scraper, you're going to scrape the polish through the design, and then grabbing your stamper, you're going to stamp the design onto your stamper. Once you have the design on your stamper, you're going to grab some sellotape and remove any excess nail polish from the stamper. And once you're happy with the elf language just left on your stamper, you are then going to place the design onto your nails. And once you're happy for how the design looks, you're then going to add a top coat to seal the design in, and then you're going to grab a cotton bud dipped in some nail polish remover just to remove any excess nail polish from the skin and cuticle area. And there you guys have it. That is how you create the gold version of this design. Now I'll show you how to create the black version, but this process is just repeating the whole process again and just reverting the colours around. But I will show you it again with the different colours, as I know quite a few people like seeing the tutorials with the actual design and colours, so I will quickly show you how to do this in the black version. So of course you're going to apply a base coat to all of your nails. Then once that has dried, you're going to apply some black polish onto your nail. Let the black polish dry, then grab your nail plate and apply gold nail polish onto the elf language, and with your scraper you're going to scrape that polish through, and then grabbing your stamper you're going to stamp the elf language onto the stamper. Grabbing some sellotape, you're going to remove any excess nail polish on the stamper that isn't the elf language. And once you just have the elf language left on your stamper, you're going to stamp that onto your nail, and then you're going to add a top coat and remove any excess nail polish from the skin and cuticle area. And there you guys have it. That is how you create these amazing Lord of the Ring inspired nail art in a black and gold version. You can also mix and match these colours as well, as if you were a bit like me and couldn't decide what colours you wanted to create this design in, then I decided to mix and match it on my fingers, as later on I added the gold and black version on my pointer finger with the other reverse colours on the rest of my nails. But I'm sure as well, guys, you don't have to keep it with just black and gold. You could use any other colour. You could create this design in a whole rainbow style, and anyway how this design is made, I'm sure it will look fabulous. But anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like, and if you have any other ideas of what nail art I should make, leave a comment down below. And just remember guys, keep being awesome, keep being amazing, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!